Hi guys, and welcome back for another video. It's Regina here, and welcome to Life with Regina. So today is going to be I'm going to give y'all a clean with me. I have not filmed a clean with me in so long, and today is a perfect day because it is pouring down raining outside. It's been raining for like 3 days. The city has been having some major flooding issues because of all the rain. Like, it's pouring down. Yesterday was Friday, so it didn't rain yesterday, I don't believe. I think it started raining like yesterday night around 11. And it was raining so hard, like the rain was hitting the window, so I've been up for a while. But I figured today is the perfect day to film a clean with me because we ain't going nowhere. It's too rainy. So let's get started. Oh, hold on, child. Let's get our coffee first. Okay? Then we'll get started. All right, y'all, so some things I've already done. I have already mopped my floor. I wiped down my countertops yesterday, I think. So I might wipe those down again today. But that's pretty much it. I haven't really cleaned up anything else. So I think I'm gonna start upstairs in our room and then work my way down. Hopefully I have enough energy after this bedroom. Whew. I'm not gonna fold any laundry because that's where the time consumption is going to go. And once I get done folding laundry and I've been standing up that long, I'm not gonna want to do nothing else. I would rather knock out 3 or 4 things on my list versus 2 things on my list. So I'll save laundry for another day because I know I'm not gonna fold all those clothes. I probably wash some stuff, but I'm not gonna fold or put up any laundry today. I'm just not in the mood for that. My child is outside in his rain boots. Anywho, let's get started with cleaning. I'm excited. It's been so long. All right, let's go. So as you can see, I have on completely different clothes, but we're about to clean for real this time. But I had to go to the store before it started pouring down raining, and I'm glad we did because as soon as we got home, it is pouring down. So let's get to this list.
Safe haven of conversation where we make make space and ease our frustrations. Continuation for days and days, and I can just say it, no explanation needed. We just understand what we mean, if only through pictures and memes. Years together run deep in the glow of our screens. It's a party inside. Sometimes you need solutions, and sometimes it's just a vibe in group chat therapy. Tell you all my secrets, it's safe to keep them. Sharing our dreams and the whys and reasons. Set silence conversation, my girl's been waiting. And me update them, they're my salvation. When I wanna break down and crash out, they won't. That's what friendship's about. Failure or success, we're a circle. Sometimes you need solutions, and sometimes it's just a vibe in group chat therapy. I think I need group chat therapy. Group chat therapy. Oh, we listen, we don't judge, we keep it low. Where you can be free. Free. In group chat therapy. I think I need group chat therapy.
bathroom looks so far. I still need to clean my mirror, and I need to come in here and vacuum, but all the major stuff is done. Bathtub is clean. Shower is clean. And most importantly, the toilet area is clean. I gotta put another one of my little sticky things in there, but yeah, all that is clean. Like I said, I still need to sweep, so there's some stuff on the floor, but y'all, I'm tired. Like, I forgot how much work it is to clean up all this stuff. But yeah, I still need to wash this, and I need to sweep, and I need to just clean my mirror. But for right now, your girl is... Alright, you guys, so we are at the end of the clean with me. Oh my god, I forgot how much work it is to film these. Like, it makes the cleaning twice as long. But we are at the end of the road. I did not get to my bedroom today. It was just too much. I am tired. My feet hurt. I want to get a glass of wine and sit down and watch some TV. It's still pretty early, so I might clean my room later on tonight. Mostly just getting up crap, putting shoes back where they're supposed to go, shirts and stuff where they should be. But other than that, we are out of here. Thank you so much.